Hi there everyone, Gillian from gillianartflow. Thank you for popping by. I have a rather special painting that deserves a special video and a special intro. And I really wish I had recorded the reactions to people who have seen the finished painting. I tried something I've never done before, and I had an idea in mind and a way that I thought it would come out, but I ended up with something more than I bargained for. What's the fuss about? Come on, come with me, let's go and have a look.
Sunlight, warm nights, can't do much. I still feel your ice cold skin. Rice wine.
So I had an old canvas that I wasn't really enamoured by the painting on there. So I decided to paint Payne's Grey on it, obviously using a paintbrush. Once that had dried, as you can see, I started putting masking tape on. I wasn't really exact about where the masking tape went because it was just an experiment to see, The idea I had was if I put a grid on here and then the painting would end up looking a bit like stained glass. So as you can see, here I go, adding masking tape. Once I'd done that, I flooded it with white paint, and then I swiped.
Sunlight, warm nights, can't do much. I still feel your ice cold skin. Rice wine, candlelight is still not enough for me to know about your ins and outs. You're letting me know you want me around, but now how can I be sure? the beginning. I called it. I knew that there had to be us. Knew that there had to be us. We do what we gotta do to stay winning, winning. The fuss and the fights will keep and trust. And you make me wanna say, I love you better today than yesterday. Every day it's gonna play out the same, the same, the same, the same. Ay, I love you better today than yesterday. Every day it's gonna play out the same. It's gonna play out the same. Growing as one, not growing apart. Apart. Say what we mean, say it from the heart. From the heart. Wrinkles and grays, don't be alarmed, because you're safe with me. The beautiful signs of our story so far, so far. Both called it from the beginning. We called it, we called it. We knew that there had to be us. We knew that there had to be us. Do what we gotta do to stay winning, winning. Some fights will keep trust. And you make me wanna say, I love you better today than yesterday. And every day. Every day it's gonna play out the same, the same, the same. Gonna play out the same. I love you better today than yesterday. Every day it's gonna play out the same. It's gonna play out the same. La da 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 da. La da 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 da. Singing, I love you. I love you better today than yesterday. Every day it's gonna play out the same. I love you better today than yesterday. Every day it's gonna play out the same. It's gonna play out the same. It's gonna play out the same. Better than yesterday. Love you more today. It's gonna play out the same.